Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. Volkswagen is upgrading the 2025 Tiguan, making it more stylish, powerful, and efficient. With a modern design, advanced technology, and hybrid options, this SUV is built to impress. Exterior, bold and sporty. The new Tiguan features a sleek, modern design, including wider front grille with a glowing VW logo, slim matrix LED headlights for a high-tech look, aerodynamic body for better fuel efficiency, sportier rear with a full-width LED light bar, 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels depending on the model, new colors like Aurora Blue, Sunset Red, and Graphite Gray. These updates give the Tiguan a standout presence on the road. Interior, spacious and high-tech. Volkswagen redesigned the Tiguan's cabin to be more comfortable and user-friendly. 15-inch touchscreen with the latest VW infotainment system. 12.3-inch digital display for a customized driving experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for easy connectivity. Larger panoramic sunroof for an open, airy feel. Premium materials with vegan leather and wood trims. Ambient lighting, 30 colors, for a luxury touch. More cargo space and rear legroom for extra practicality. These upgrades make the Tiguan perfect for daily drives and long trips. Performance, powerful and efficient. The 2025 Tiguan offers 3 engine choices. 1.5L turbo mild hybrid base engine, 190 HP and 225 lb-ft torque. 7-speed automatic transmission. Improved fuel efficiency. 2.0L turbocharged R-Line model. 265 HP and 295 lb-ft torque. 4-motion all-wheel drive standard. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. Tiguan e-hybrid plug-in hybrid. 1.5L turbo plus electric motor. 245 HP total output. 50-mile all-electric range. The plug-in hybrid allows zero-emission driving without sacrificing power. Technology and safety, smarter driving. Volkswagen has equipped the Tiguan with advanced driver assist and smart tech features. IQ.Drive, lane assist, adaptive cruise, traffic jam assist. Augmented reality head-up display, projects navigation on the windshield. 360-degree camera for easier parking. Over-the-air, OTA, updates to keep software up to date. AI voice assistant for hands-free control. With these intelligent features, the Tiguan is one of the smartest SUVs in its class. Final thoughts: a standout SUV. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan blends style, performance, and technology. With hybrid options, a high-tech interior, and a bold new look, it's ready to compete with SUVs like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.